Hi, this is Charlie from Path of the Bee. Today we're going to continue our video series on the Nicot queen rearing system. Today's day 4. That means it's grafting day. So we're going to go ahead and remove the cassette from the hive, take it inside, do our egg transfer, our little queen cup transfer into our bars, and then we'll install the queen rearing frame into our cell starter. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm just going to remove the frame here, and I'll gently brush the bees off, and then I'll pass it off to my wife, and she could take it inside, and we'll begin our transfer. I'll fill this space with the same frame of honey that I took out originally. It's very important to not shake this frame because it will dislodge our eggs. We don't want to do that, so be sure and sweep the bees off gently. Okay, so I've got the hive put back together. I'm going to head on inside and we'll do our transfer. Okay, so what we're going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and remove the lid off the back side of this cassette. And then I'm going to look at the back side here of these cups and kind of check for eggs and jelly, and they all look like they're doing really well. But what I'll do, because my vision is not that of a spring chicken anymore, I'll select a cup and then hand it to my wife to double check it. Okay, now what we'll do is we'll go ahead and put the bars in the frame, and then we'll take it out and put it in the colony. So I put a little bit of wax on the end of these bars to help keep them in place, and it makes them slide in but not freely. Alright, well, we'll get suited back up and get them in the cell starter. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to crack the lid on this and smoke the bees down off the top. I'm going to grab my hive tool and get some space back in between these. Then we'll put our graft frame right in the middle. And then I'm going to get a pollen patty and put in there real quick. Okay, so I'm smoking down off the top bars. Try and keep as many bees in here as I can. And then I'll put a little piece of pollen patty here on either side of the frame. And then simply because they're really cold, they came right out of the freezer, I don't want to take a chance and lower the temperature of my colony. Alright, we'll close this back up. And we're done. Okay, so now that we have them buttoned back up, we'll let them sit here for 30 minutes or so to settle down. We'll brush all the bees off and bring them back inside. I'll leave them in there for a day, or depending on the weather, 2, and then bring them out and put them into my cell builder colony, which is the same place that they originally came from. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.